Are you tired of your apps disappearing from your iPhone? Does it feel like a huge hassle to constantly be re-downloading them? In this video, I'll show you how to disable offload unused apps on iPhone and prevent apps from vanishing into thin air. I'll walk you through how to easily disable this feature so you can keep your app library intact. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called App Store. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will see an option called Offload Unused Apps. Automatically remove unused apps, but keep all documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So if you want to disable this feature, simply toggle it off. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.